forextradingroom.tv. We trading Forex from our Forex studio, from our trading room, friends and family here, trading together, making money on Forex market. Like you know, currency is getting stronger or weaker almost every day. This is how we make money. We're just looking for opportunities to find the weakest currency, the strongest currency, just have them versus one currency versus another, and do trading according to trends. Before you start watching us, please see our legal disclaimer. I'll be back after this message. Welcome back. Back to trading. What I do here with my friends, we analyze Forex market. Analysis we're making are based on Forex Pro Analytics. It's the software we have here, the software we use here. You have opportunity to see it now on your screens. You see the Canadian dollar is getting weaker now, and a couple of other currencies is getting stronger. What I'm looking for the strongest trend. I'm looking for the strongest trend, for the strongest wind on the market. Right now, like you see, CAD yen looks like the strongest trend on market. Let's go and see how it looks on MetaTrader 4 on my platform, how it looks live. This is 15-minute chart. Obviously there is a downtrend here, but the trends on Forex market usually they not last for a long time. Sometimes they go back and forth, volatility is higher. Right now I would like to use this trend to see which directions really it will continue. It's going to be retracement or it's going to be continuation. Right now looks like Canadian really is getting weak. Let's go back to Forex Pro Analytics and just be focused for a moment on indicator. Just take a look. What I'm looking at is Canadian and yen.
I closed first position on USD CAD.
Yeah, USD CAD goes up, yeah.
Yeah, USD CAD was a good position to be in, so I just took a little profit. I'm waiting for an opportunity for on CAD yen.
CAD yen looks good now for short. That's what I've done now, and you can see it now. I just got the short position. I'm gonna set the profit minimum 10 pips from the moment of entry. Maybe a little bit more, up to here. So we'll see how far it goes. Looks good. Looks good. So you just have to be patient a little bit more. Let's go back to Forex Pro Analytics. See if this is continuation of this trend. Looks like there's lots of action on Canadian dollar. I just go and see how it goes with USD CAD.
It's trying to break a pivot and on 132.
What is the pivot level?
132, 2,
132.
02.
Okay.
So it's like it's now a crucial point.
Oh, there's the pivot point, yeah.
If it breaks through, that means we have a lot of room to make money, no?
Yeah, we'll see. Looks like. Yeah. Canadian dollar, I'm gonna get long on this position, USD CAD. Canadian dollar looks like a big loser today. This is what I'm looking at. Lots of red arrows. Yen is getting stronger and USD is getting stronger. So basically I have two positions open according at that moment to the trend. So I am with the USD CAD and CAD yen. USD CAD and CAD yen. There's two positions open right now. Just have to be patient. It's gonna be fight. We'll see if the trend will last for a longer time. So let's go back to Forex Pro Analytics. Let's see if we still have this downtrend for CAD and uptrend for yen. This is a retracement now, probably. We just have to wait. Be patient. There's no other way to be success in this market. Just have to wait and sit. Don't do any rush movements. That's what we do here. Not getting too much excited, regardless we're winning or losing. Usually we're winning. Maybe that's why we're not that anxious now. Let's go back to MetaTrader 4. See how we're standing. Yeah, we're standing or not much now. Just still waiting for a bigger wave. So I'm gonna take a short break now. You will see my platform live working. 2 positions open according to Forex Pro Analytics CAD yen and USD CAD. CAD is a loser now. It's getting weaker and weaker. So we'll see how long this trend will last. So see you soon. It's not going to be any messages and not going to be any tutorials, just the MetaTrader 4, the platform. Yeah, I'll be back in case of some bigger changes. So see you soon, guys. positions open, CAD yen and USD CAD. CAD yen short, USD CAD long. Still, the CAD is a loser and yen is the winner for now. Just have to wait for next development in the situation. Not much change yet, but this is really strong trend for Canadian dollar, and I think this trend will continue. So just have to wait for another movement in the market. I'm gonna have a coffee now, a little bit break. If it's going to be any dramatic changes, any significant move, I'll be back. So now please just stay with us. Do some break, take some break, have fun, keep smiling, I'll be back. still those two positions in progress. A little bit profit, a little bit positive on both of them, but I'm not gonna close it yet. Just has to get to my level of profit. USD CAD, promising. USD CAD, promising. CAD yen, promising as well. A little bit of profits, just wait and see. I think the USD CAD will go further up. This is a good trend. If I get to my profit level, I'll get 10 pips. Just have to be patient. Just watch. Do nothing now yet. I cannot do nothing now. But everything is live. What we do here is a little bit of delay. According to legal requirements, it's about 45 seconds, 40 seconds delayed, what you see. The end of the day, all numbers are live, all numbers are true. We don't hide anything. If I'm losing, then I'm losing. If I'm winning, I'm winning. You'll see everything on your screen. Please be advised, I don't give any financial advice. If you do trading back there in your home, you're doing on your own risk. Forex, it's a risky business, like I told you many times. If you can't afford to take losses, don't do it. Just please be very, very, very careful. USD CAD looks like a good trend. I think it's gonna go up. Just need another 10-15 minutes to close the position on profit. So bear with me. You have opportunity to see my screen. You have opportunity to see my MetaTrader 4. You see what I do. Usually I'm winning. I'll be back in about 10, maybe 15 minutes. just the position USD CAD was closed on positive. Obviously, like I told you, I was pretty sure about the trend. So this position was closed positive today. Let's go make a custom period for today. There we go, one position closed so far on USD CAD. I was pretty sure about this one. I'm thinking that I'll get again to this position if I find any discount, if it goes down a little bit. CAD yen is still in progress. It's close to my profit lane. So we'll see. So far I'm making about 4 or 5 pips. I'm looking for another 10 solid pips. So we'll see. I'm going back to Forex Pro Analytics. USD up a little bit on 15 minutes, yen up, CAD down. Canadian dollar is a big loser today. So that's the trend I want to be. I want to sell Canadian dollar, and that's what I do. With the success, I need another 3, 4, 5 pips, and I'm gonna close this position on positive. Yeah, just bear with me. We need another few pips. Come on, come on. We need a little bit more wind. Assumption, gambling is not my style. All decisions which we make here in this office is based on analysis. We analyze movements on single currencies. Then we're finding the weakest one and the strongest one versus another. This is the clue to success. We're not jumping from one pair to another pair. We are just focused on the best currency pair with the strongest trend, regardless uptrend or downtrend. We can win on the both positions. And I will prove it to you very, very soon. Looks good. Need 3, 4, 5 more pips. Just sitting, waiting. USD CAD looks a good trend again. I'll go to 5-minute chart now on USD, on CAD yen. See up close how far, how more we need to close this position on plus. Not much. It's 9:32 a.m. It's July 25th. I will take another short break and I'll be back after 10 minutes. So bear with us. I'll be back soon. Welcome back after short break. Still didn't change much. We're on the short CAD yen. Two positions open. One is a little bit positive. The second is a little bit negative, almost zero. So still we have to wait. Like you see, the Canadian dollar is a big loser. The main driver of Canadian dollar value is obviously the crude oil. And lately the crude oil, the price went down close to 44. Didn't survive much on the level 50. So that right away was effect on Canadian dollar, which it's usually called the petro dollar. When crude oil goes up, usually Canadian dollar is going up. When the crude oil is going down, the Canadian dollar usually is going down. This is how it works. The gold today on the market is a little bit down. Why? Because the US dollar is up. Usually when the dollar is getting stronger, the gold, the price of gold is weaker. This is how it goes. This is how it works, usually. So still we have to sit and wait. We closed few positions already here in our office, positive. It was long USD CAD and short CAD yen. Still two positions open CAD yen. We're waiting for next development in this situation. I'm gonna take another break. Bob is gonna keep you guys busy. He's gonna show something to you, MetaTrader, our positions, or Forex Pro Analytics, just to keep it rolling. So see you soon. Welcome back after a short break. CAD yen, two short position open. I'm just gonna close one on profit and I'm gonna close another one on profit. Please take a look. Three positions closed today already. Three of them positive. CAD yen, it had to be a winner. It had to be a winner. There is no other choice. When Forex Pro Analytics is showing that CAD is so weak, it's so many red arrows. Plus, we had the green arrows on US dollar and the green arrows on Japanese yen. There is no way the CAD will go up. There's no way. Everybody is selling the Canadian dollar. Like you know, we are connected with 22 largest institutions, and this software, this indicator, is showing what's going on in the big banks, how the money flows, where the money flows. Now we see obviously that most of the banks, they sell in Canadian dollar. The reason, like I said before, is probably the crude oil, but this is not important for us. We don't make any assumptions, we don't make any predictions, we don't give any financial advice. We just follow the big guys, we just follow the smart money. I feel really comfortable knowing that I am with the same directions. I'm selling or buying the same currency which are selling or buying right now by the biggest financial institutions in the world. This is my confidence. That's why I call it emotionless trading. Probably you notice I never get too excited, I never get too sad, regardless of winning or losing. It's 10:07. Canadian dollar is weaker and weaker, still the same trend. So I think that's gonna be it. That's it for today. I'm gonna wrap it up and finish the trading. Obviously you can sit and trade longer and longer. I think this is it for today, like I said. Thank you very much for watching us. If you didn't have time to see our trading room, Forex Trading Room TV live, you have great opportunity to go to our website and go to the archive, and that is recorded sessions for our trading room. So thank you very much, have a nice day. Please see one more time disclaimer, and I see you tomorrow, guys. Have fun. Thanks for trading together.